Grab 1 pound of fresh crab meat. Combine this in a large bowl with a cup of breadcrumbs, a single egg, a tablespoon of mayonnaise, a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, another teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, a tablespoon of freshly chopped parsley, half a teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning, and a 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and pepper. Mix these together until you have a harmonious blend of flavors. Now take this mixture and shape it into small, bite-sized balls. Each of these balls then gets a gentle roll in a cup of flour, giving them a light, even coating. Next, heat 2 cups of vegetable oil in a deep fryer or large saucepan to a temperature of 375 degrees. Carefully drop the crab balls into the hot oil. Fry them in batches until they turn a beautiful golden brown, which should take about 2 to 3 minutes. Once they're done, drain them on paper towels to remove any excess oil. It's time to create the spicy dipping sauce. In a small bowl, mix together half a cup of mayonnaise, a tablespoon of lemon juice, and a teaspoon of hot sauce. Feel free to adjust the spiciness to your preference. Now, serve the warm, crispy crab balls with the spicy dipping sauce on the side. Remember, for those with dietary restrictions, gluten-free breadcrumbs and flour can be used. And if you're watching your waistline, you can bake the crab balls at 400 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes instead of frying. Want to kick up the heat? Add more hot sauce to the dipping sauce to taste. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.